Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful circular motif titled Bagonia wheel, and it's a 6-row pattern and works well with variegated yarn and solid colors. So without wasting much time friends, let us go into the video. Chain 7, slip stitch and join to the first instead of chain 7 you can also do this chain 3, 4 and make a double treble in the very first. We get a ring here, so slip stitch into the ring and place 14 double crochets inside the ring. If you want, you can start the first one with chain 3 as the first double crochet, and here this we will hide, hence place a stitch marker because we need to come back and slip stitch here under these two loops, this and this. Now place 13 more double crochets in the ring. I shall place 13 more and get back. I have completed the required number of DCs, so I required 14 and I have 14 of them here. Now slip stitch to the very first stitch where we placed our stitch marker, remove it. Now it's easy to locate that V and slip stitch. Alternatively, you can slip stitch from behind also. It's as per your convenience. And pull this yarn. Here we go. Now we need to make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 3 and 1 double crochet, or make a standing double crochet and a double crochet, normal double crochet in the same stitch here. Behind and complete. One more double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and place 3 double crochets in the next. Again chain 1, skip 1 and 3 double crochets in the next. So chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochets till we reach the end of this round here, and I will tell you how to go about. We have come to the end of the row here, round here, chain 1, and we need to place 1 double crochet in the very first stitch we started with to complete, and slip stitch to the very first stitch that we made here. See, I have not placed the stitch marker. I find it difficult to pick up my stitches. Yes, I picked it up. Great. Now chain 3 and place a double crochet, or place 2 double crochets in the stitch, same stitch. Two double crochets here, chain 1, 2 double crochets in chain space, chain 1, 2 double crochets, skip the next DC, 2 double crochets in the next DC, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the chain space. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began here. We've come to the end of the round here. Now I've chained 1 slip stitch to the very first stitch here. We have slip stitch to the first treble here, first double crochet here. Now chain 4, make a single crochet and a chain 1 space, chain 4, single crochet and chain 1 space. So continue this stitch pattern all around. Every chain 1 space will have a single crochet, and each single crochet is separated by chain 4 space. Continue the round, and when you come back here, I shall meet you here. We've come to the end of this round here. Now instead of chaining 4, chain 2 and make a treble in the base of this first chain 4 that we have made. Not treble, it's a double crochet. Sorry, I went into the UK terms. A double crochet. Now chain 4, one single crochet in next chain space, chain 4, one single crochet in next chain space. Continue this till you reach one chain space before the starting. We have come to the end of this round here. I have placed my last single crochet here, and instead of chain 4 and joining, I am going to chain 2 and make a double crochet in the base of the double crochet we did in the previous round. Here we go. Now you can either chain 3 or directly make a double crochet here in the space, chain space, and place 3 more double crochets in the same space. And in every chain 4 space, place 4 double crochets. So continue the stitch pattern. Every chain 4 space is going to have 4 doubles. So when I complete the 4 doubles in each of the chain 4 spaces, and when I come here, I shall meet you here. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last 4 trebles, 4 double crochets in the chain 4 spaces, and now slip stitch to the first DC or the third chain of chain 3 if you've done chain 3 as the first DC. You can do the normal slip stitch because you're not going to place any stitch on this. Slip stitch to the next and slip stitch to the space between these 2 DCs. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Chain 6, single crochet between the middle 2 DCs of next double crochet set, next double crochet group, you can say. Chain 6, skip the next 4 DCs, and in the space between the 4th and the 5th DC here, place a single crochet. Simple funda. You have 4 DCs in every chain 4 group. Between the middle 2 DCs, you have to place your single crochet, and these single crochets are separated by chain 6. So continue in the round the stitch pattern. When I come to the end of this round, I shall meet you. Come to the end of this round here. Now chain 6, last chain 6, slip stitch to the first single crochet that we have made and fasten off. I find this method nice and neat. Here we go. Cut the yarn and hide the yarn behind the stitches. Here we have the Bagonia wheel. Hope you like this pattern, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. But before that, a request from our side. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Also, like and share the videos. Bye for now, friends. Have a great day.